everyone, it's Miss Kirsten. Thanks for joining today. We're going to be doing a blow painting technique. It's a really simple project that you can do here for the online classroom. Let's get started. All you'll need is a canvas of any sort, some paint colors that you've picked out and set up for that, some stirrers or popsicle sticks I'll use to mix the paint, some straws that we'll use to blow the paint around, water, as I mentioned, to thin it out, and optional too, if you have a hair dryer, we can use that for the process. So the first part is taking our paint. I've already mixed a lot of these with some additional water, but I'll show you how we do that here. So adding a little bit of water to our paint, you want it a very nice and thin consistency so it can move around your canvas easily. Next, you're going to just take your paint, any colors that you like, and just pour it on your canvas. It doesn't matter where you put it now because where it is won't be the final result. You can take any of your colors you want, mix them, join them together, kind of spread it around in different areas of your painting. Keep adding some more colors. As you can see here, I've added some purple and green as well, and lastly a little yellow for an accent color. Again, none of this matters wherever you place it or how it ends up on the canvas itself, because we're going to take our next step and use our straw to blow the painting itself around. So you can see here, using some pressure from the straw, I'm just taking it and blowing the paint around in any direction I like. So you can see the colors mixing together here in fun, cool ways like a tie-dye effect. One other way you can approach this project as well is if you have a hair dryer. So using the same effect as the straw, you can blow the paint around in any which way you like. You can see the hair dryer kind of moves the paint more so together in bigger groups. So that can be a different effect if you're looking for that. Or if you want to go a little more detailed with the straw, you see it kind of moves it in a little smaller areas or mixes them a little more loosely together. So continue watching and I'll be back to talk about the final product. So last step here, I'm just moving the canvas any which way to get those colors to blend together a little more, but we'll leave this here to dry. So we'll take a look at some of our paintings that our artists did today in class for a few other examples of how you can see this blow painting effect in work. I'm super proud of all of our artists for trying something new and getting some different results. So I hope you guys have fun with this. Focus on, not the final product, but the fun you have of blowing paint around along the way. But here's one last look at the final product. I hope you guys enjoy this and come back next time.